So this is Nexstat, a powdered hemostat used in surgical procedures. And these guys here, oh, here we go. And here, turn that into
a sponge.
Little sponge here. Oops. Little sponge there. So how does that thing work?
Well, basically, it's an active hemostat. So we've taken the powder that we use throughout the body for all different types of procedures, and we have brought it to a sponge form to work to stop nosebleeds. So basically, this is placed in the nares. Patient applies pressure for 1 or 2 minutes. It's going to stop the bleeding. They're going to leave this, and it won't require any future medical intervention. It's going to go away by itself.
So it's not pressure-based, it's purely hemostatic-based.
Right, yes. It does use a little bit of pressure as you initially stop the bleeding, but beyond that point, it's an active hemostat, and basically the polysaccharide is what's stopping the bleeding, not the pressure, which makes it unique to other products on the market.